Christmas is a celebration of God's amazing grace in that He loved each of us so much that He sent His only begotten Son as manifestation of the way to truth, hope, and redemption. This is the essence of Christmas. Regardless of religious traditions, this is the time of year when we collectively reflect on certain themes: peace, love, and fellowship. But it is also a festive time. It is a time when we radiate the feeling of goodwill, friendliness, and generosity to all. During this festive season, however, let us not forget that Christmas is not always a happy time for everyone. There are many vulnerable persons among us, our brothers and sisters who are poor and in need, the aged, the infirm, the disabled, and the homeless. As we remember the Christ child, let us remember our children. Let us pledge to protect them from abuse, neglect, and exploitation. Let us ensure that they are properly guided and educated, particularly at the early childhood and primary levels of our education system. Only then can we be assured that they will be placed in a position to contribute meaningfully to the future development of our country. This Christmas, let us hug them, show them that we care, and make them happy. On behalf of my family and the parliamentary opposition, I want to extend greetings and best wishes for the season to all Jamaicans at home and abroad. Let us be happy, but above all else, be safe. Merry Christmas.